Namaste and welcome to 30 Days Cult and Flow Yoga to a Stronger You. Today we are on day 19 and today the class is about the upper body. Okay, focusing more on the chest, the breast, the shoulders, the upper back, the armpits, upper arms. Okay, this is the focus area today. I hope you are liking the classes. I would like to introduce you my new 21 days Yoga for Fat Loss Challenge, which is starting from the 6th of Jan till the 26th of Jan. Okay, to register for this, the link is in the caption. Do register to get more value added classes to a holistic approach to a new 2025. Let's begin the class. You grab the blocks and let's see you on the mat. Today's class, we will start with a little bit of warm up. So basically, you take your hands on your waist and you take around 1 foot gap in between both your legs. Inhaling, you interlock your hands, open the chest, bend backwards. Exhaling, you bend forward. Okay, keep the chest open. Keep your hands as close to your head as you can. Let's start. Inhale, bend back. Exhale, bend forward. 2, back. Front. 3, back. Front. 4, back. Front. 5, back. Front. 6, back. Front. 7, back. Front. 8, back. Front. 9, back. And front. 10. You gently release your hands and let's make circles out of the arms. So first you move the right hand from front to back, left hand from front to back. Let's start. Right, left, right, left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we move from back to front. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very nice. Relax your body, relax your breath. Now we will come into the tabletop position. So come down onto your mats, bring your palms and your knees down on the mat. From here we are going to do a movement for the shoulders and the arms. Okay, so you raise the right arm up straight and as you exhale you turn the palm and take it to your back. Okay, let's begin. Inhale, lift. Exhale, turn. 1, lift, turn. 2, lift, turn. 3, lift, turn. 4, lift, turn. 5, lift, turn. 6, lift. 7, lift. 8, lift. 9, lift. 10. Now from here we will place the palms back onto the mat. Tuck your toes and lift your hips up. Come into this downward facing dog. Now here we will slightly pulse the body downwards like this, giving a stretch to the shoulders and the armpits. Okay, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. You bring the knees down and bring the right leg in between both your hands, coming into a lunge. Here you take your right hand behind your head, Inhaling, you lift the elbow up, point it upwards. Exhaling, you bring the elbow down. Now, if you can't reach the floor, it's okay. You keep your block at whichever level and you reach the block. Okay, let's start. Come on. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. 1. Lift. Down. 2. Lift. Down. 3. Lift. Down. 4. Lift. Down. 5. Lift. Down. 6. Lift. Down. 7. Lift. Down. 8. Lift. Down. 9. Lift. And down. 10. Release your hands. Release your leg. And take this right leg to the back. Coming into a kneeling position. From here, you take your blocks. Okay, you keep your blocks on the floor like this. Okay, from here, inhaling, you lift your chest up, hip up, open the chest. Exhaling, you'll go back down. If you have the flexibility, you don't need the block. Okay, you can place your hands on your foot like this and lift and go back. Got it? So based on your body, you select. If you want the blocks, take the blocks. If not, you use your hands. Inhaling, you lift, open the chest. Exhaling, go back. 1. Feel that opening in your chest. Inhale, lift, nice and wide. Exhale, down. 2. Lift, down. 3. Lift, down. 4. Last one. Lift and down. 5. Relax. Relax your arms, relax your shoulders, and let's repeat the flow on the other side. So we will start with the leg hand or raise hand and taking the hand to the back. Okay, let's begin. Come on. Inhale, lift. Exhale to the back. 1. Lift to the back. 2. Lift to the back. 3. Lift back. 4. Lift back. 5. Lift back. 6. Lift back. 7. Lift back. 8. Lift back. 9. Lift and back. 10. Place the hand back onto the mat. Tuck your toes and lift the hips up. Come into this downward facing dog. From here, we are going to pulse the shoulder, pulse the chest inward. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now we bring the left leg in between both your hands. Come into the lunge. Again, use your block if you want. If you can reach the floor, you don't need the block. Okay? Take your left hand behind your head. Inhaling, you open the chest, elbow pointing upwards. Exhaling, you bring the elbow to the floor. 1. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. 2. Lift. Down. 3. Lift. Down. 4. Lift. Down. 5. Lift. Down. 6. Lift. Down. 7. Lift. Down. 8. Lift. Down. 9. Lift and down, 10. Now from here, you take the left leg behind, coming into a kneeling position. Take both your blocks if you want, or you don't need your blocks. You can place your hands on your heels. Inhaling, you lift the hip up, trying to open the chest, give a good stretch to the shoulders. Exhaling, you bring it down. 1. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. 2. Lift. Down. 3. Lift. Down. 4. Lift. And down. 5. Now from here, to relax the body in child's pose, counter your back bend, relax it out. Take nice deep long breaths. Now we will do a flow wherein you will inhale, lift the body up, coming into a cow pose, head out, hip out, tummy towards the floor. You pull the chest down and then you lift the body up into Bhujangasana. Okay, we'll do 5 of these. Come on, let's begin. From the child's pose, you come into a cow, tabletop cow position. Bring the chest down, chin and chest down. Lift into a Bhujangasana and go back. 1. Inhale, cow. Chest, chin down. Lift. Go back. 2. Cow. Chest, chin down. Lift. Go back. 3. Lift. Down. Bhujangasana and back. 4. Cow. Ashtang Namaskar. Bhujangasana and back. 5. Stay here, relax your body out nicely, take deep long breaths. Now from here, you go in front and you place your hands next to your chest, keeping your feet either close to each other or away from each other based on your back flexibility. You will push the floor and lift your body up into Bhujangasana. Okay, and exhale, you bring it down. Let's start. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. 2, lift. Down. 3, lift. Down. 4, lift. Down. 5, lift. Down. 6, lift. Down. 7, lift. Down. 8, lift. Down. 9, lift. And down. 10. Now from here, you slowly roll onto your backs. Come onto your back, coming into a lying down position on your back. From here, you pull the feet close to your body, okay? Keep the feet as close to your body as you can. Knees are bent. Inhaling, you lift the hip up, okay? Lift it as high as you can, coming onto your shoulders, and interlock your hands under your hips, okay, like this. Come into Setu Bandhasan and stay here for 5 counts. Take nice deep long breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Gently you bring your hips down, release your legs, and bring your knees towards your chest. Counter the back bend. Breathe here, relax the body. You can also move your ankles, rotate your ankles, move your feet, relax the joints. Now you can stay here for as long as you want. That's all from me today. Bye-bye.